Cycas Revoluta, the unstoppable king of exotics. Uncover the secrets of a plant that's been around for millions of years. Learn how to grow it stronger, healthier, and completely free of disease. Most growers water it wrong. Here's how to do it right. What single watering mistake could kill your plant? What ancient secrets is this living fossil hiding? Why do so many mistake it for a palm? And how can this beauty be dangerous? Your journey to exotic plant mastery starts right here. In the full version of this video, I'll take you step by step and explain everything from A to Z through perfect watering for every temperature, planting in the ground or in a pot, how to dig up the right sized pit, the ideal soil mix, how to grow CYCADS outdoors in winter or indoors year-round, spotting diseases early and stopping leaf yellowing before it starts, pollination, propagation, and telling male from female plants. What does the shape of this flower reveal about it? Gender, summer and winter, temperatures, limits, and above all, the mistakes you must avoid if you want your cycad to thrive for decades. This isn't just another ordinary plant. It's a living relic of prehistory from the age of the dinosaurs and could be the crown jewel of your garden. Master the art of growing Cycas Revoluta. Watch the full version of the video only on our next level exotic gardening channels, either here on www.herohero.co or on our new channel on www.patreon.com. Grow smart, grow with us. Long live exotic plants. Cheers, everybody. Hasta luego. Adios.